How to turn off parental control on Google account. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video. In this video we're going to learn how we can turn off parental control on Google account. So without any delay, let's start the process on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So if you want to turn off the parental control on your Google account, these are the process you may follow. First of all, head over to the main settings of your device. After that, scroll down a bit until you are able to find the Google and Google services. Just tap on it, and when you tap on it, just go to the all services section under your Google account. You'll be finding a bunch of options here. You're just going to look up for the option called parental controls. Just scroll down, and under children and family, you'll be finding parental controls. So if you have this parental control option turned on, in order to turn off, just tap on this parental controls option. And when you head over there, you'll be finding this toggle option. If you have gone with the process of having the parental control supervision on your Google account, you'll be finding this toggle option. So you're just going to turn off this option, and after that it will be done. So that's how you basically turn off your parental controls onto your Google account. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.